Welcome to the 8th edition of the Security Quiz at Annual Conference of ISACA Mumbai Chapter on 12th of September 2020. After an overwhelming response of 111 participants across the globe, we are delighted to introduce you the top 4 winners of the preliminary round who have qualified for the finals. So the names are Mr. Vinay N. Shah from SBI Hyderabad. He scored 8,625 points. Mr. Klaus Stark from Citigroup Germany. He scored 6,126 points. And this is the first time, thanks to our virtual seminar, we are having an international participant, the winner in the final round. Welcome to you, Mr. Klaus.
Thank you.
We have Mr. Suyash Korde from AGS Transact Technologies scoring 6,096 points. And we had Mr. Shailesh Kumar Srivastava, Mahindra Defence System Limited, 6,095. So there was a tough competition between the two, and the difference is only 1 point separating both of them. So now we go to the start. There are a few disclaimers to be given. The views expressed in this quiz are the personal views of the presenter and need not necessarily be the view of ISACA. Any comments made during the quiz is to make the moment very light and not to be taken personally. The WHO dashboard used is to make the moment very light, and the copyright lies with WHO only. Now, may I request all the participants to introduce themselves so that everybody knows the participants. Yes, so we have 4 countries today as part of our finalist based on the WHO principles. So the first finalist is Mr. Vinay Shah. So may you please introduce yourself, Vinay?
Hello, good evening, good afternoon. Myself is Vinay Shah. I am representing USA.
The profession, what you do?
Okay. Myself is working in State Bank of India as a AGM in IS audit.
Good. So the second team is India. Mr. Klaus, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Klaus Stark from Germany. I'm working for Citigroup in Frankfurt, and now I'm in Mumbai KH. And let's see. I'm working as a business information security officer in Citigroup.
Okay, thank you. Can we have Mr. Suyash from Brazil, the team Brazil?
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. I've qualified my CISA in 2016. Since then, I'm a member, and currently I'm working with AGS Transact Technologies as a manager IT.
Okay, can we have the Russian team represented by Shailesh Srivastav?
Hi, I am Shailesh Kumar Srivastav, working with Mahindra Defence Systems Limited. I am heading the vertical here, Managed Information Security Services. My ISACA association is for last 12 years. I am CISA, CISM, CDPSC.
Okay, good. So all the best to you participants. So I'll just explain to you the various rules and regulations of today's session. So let us have a small icebreaker before we start the session. So normally I start my session with an icebreaker. So Klaus, you'll have to excuse me because this is Hindi. This is not in English.
Oh, okay.
ये वीडियो सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बनाई गई है। मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ दुनिया के सारे स्कूल और कॉलेज बम से उड़ा दूं। साला 4-5 महीने तक तो छुट्टी मिलेगी उस कैद खाने से।
भाई स्कूल के साथ क्या मैटर है आपका?
देख, स्कूल से ऐसी कोई मेरी दुश्मनी नहीं है। पर्सनल जाति खानदानी दुश्मनी है मेरे स्कूल से। जंग है जंग, मेरी जंग। Come to the dark side.
भाई ऐसा क्या किया है स्कूल ने जो आप इतने सटक गए हैं?
तुझे पता है इतने साल ये स्कूल टीचर हमें गलत शिक्षा देते थे। अगर इन्होंने हमें सही टाइम पे सही शिक्षा दी होती तो आज हम लाखों करोड़ों कमाते।
वो कैसे भाई?
ये पाइथागोरस, मुगल बादशाह, न्यूटन, फलाना डिमका सिखाने की बजाय बिटकॉइन के बारे में सिखाते तो इनके बाप का क्या जाता बे? वो फॉरेन वाले बिटकॉइन खरीद कर अमीर हो गए और हम यहाँ सीखते रहे न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। या न्यूटनच्या ताईच्या झांजा वाजवल्या। ये न्यूट्या अगर मुझे कहीं पे भी मिल गया ना, 1000 फीट जमीन में गाड़ूंगा और पूछूंगा दिखा कहाँ है ग्रेविटी, दिखा। साला जो चीज दिखाई ही नहीं देती उसे 200 200 सालों से मासूम बच्चे मजदूरों की तरह सीखते आ रहे हैं तेरी वजह से। कौन सी अमावस को पैदा हुआ था पता नहीं। और अगर कोई स्कूल टीचर ये वीडियो देख रहा है तो मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये बिटकॉइन के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया बे? वो एग्जाम में ऐसे लिखने को बोला जाता है। मुझे एक बात बता, तुझे अगर गाजर और मूली पे ऐसे लिखने को कहा जाए तो तू क्या लिखेगा? यही ना कि भाई ये एक रूट वेजिटेबल है, खाने के लिए अच्छा होता है, हमें विटामिन ए देते हैं, बराबर। तो अगर ये टॉपिक में 20-25 वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ तो फिर ये 200 वर्ड्स की लिमिट क्यों रखते हैं हरामखोर? भाई जो चीज में 20-25 वर्ड्स में आराम से एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ उसे 200 वर्ड्स में क्या लिखूं? गाजर मूली का जुड़वा भाई है, बस ये धूप में पड़े पड़े लाल हो गया। गाजर पे बाल है, मूली टकली है, शायद इनका सही इस्तेमाल लेस्बियंस भी।
भाई।
देखा तूने? ये एक्स्ट्रा कसरा ही लिखना पड़ेगा ना 200 वर्ड्स में, और क्या लिखूं भाई? ये 2 घंटे के एग्जाम में 1 घंटा सिर्फ 10 मार्क्स का ऐसे लिखने में चला जाता है जिसमें 5 भी नहीं आते। हाँ टीचर लोग, एक बात तो बताओ, ये अपना बिटकॉइन के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया बे?
Okay, so we have got 4 rounds today. So the rounds as communicated to all of you is the blockchain round, the cloud round, the darknet round, and the buzzer round. Okay, so the first will be the blockchain round. So the rules will be, as I already said, we have got 150,000 cases of corona in all these 4 countries: United States, India, Brazil, and Russia. The scores will be related to your points which you are going to get, which will be 10,000 cases reduced. If you answer the direct, we will go clockwise. USA first, followed by India, Brazil, and Russia. For a direct, there will be 10,000 cases reduction. For a pass, there will be 5,000 cases reduction. And there is something called bonus, which can be played only on the first 3 rounds. If you are pretty sure of the bonus, you have to call out, I want to play the bonus, and then only give the answer. You cannot tell the answer and then tell bonus. You will not be eligible for bonus. So 1 round will go clockwise, the second round will go anti-clockwise, and the country with the least number of corona cases will be declared the winner. So all the best to all 4 of you. So here is my first question, which is to USA. What is the first block in the blockchain called? Yes, Vinay. I'll minimize the screen, then only you have to answer. What is the first block in a blockchain called? So it
Block.
is the first question. Yes, Vinay.
Block.
No, sorry. It passes on to India. Mr. Klaus. You are on mute. I'm not able to hear you.
Initial
Klaus.
block. Initial
Yes?
block. Initial block.
Initial block. No.
Yeah.
So now
No?
we go to
Okay.
Brazil. Suyash.
Cipher block.
No. Shailesh.
No, I pass.
Pass. Okay. The first block in the blockchain is called a Genesis block.
Okay.
GENESIS. So we start with ABCD. The first block in a blockchain is called a Genesis block. Whatever questions I am asking is all LKG questions related to blockchain. So nobody gets the answer. So we go to the next question. Question number 2, that is for India, that is for Klaus Stark.
Okay.
Okay, so we have got what is called as POS, we have got what is called POW, that is proof of stake, proof of work. What are examples of something in distributed ledger technology? What am I referring to? There is one common word which links between power of proof of stake and proof of work. What is it called? I'm looking for some key word. That is also the LKG of blockchain.
Yeah, no, I cannot say currently. Sorry.
No problem. We go to Brazil. Suyash.
It's a test case.
No. Russia. Shailesh.
Something in the LKG when I don't remember.
Okay. Vinay, what is it? Anybody? Vinay, your chance.
Sir, it may be called as proof of evidence.
No. Okay, it's a low scoring round. It is called the consensus algorithm. When you talk about blockchain, first they talk about genesis, then they talk about consensus algorithm. So there is something called POW, POS, then Bination, etc. So each of the blockchains use different types of consensus algorithm. So you have to do the homework. So now we go to the third question. This is for Brazil.
Have to start from LKG again.
Okay, no problem. We go to the next question. This is for Brazil. Okay, this is for Suyesh. Where can one find the public key of a blockchain? So I will stop share and then you can start. Where can I find the public, this one of the blockchain? I need to, if you are in the blockchain ecosystem, where will I get the public key of a blockchain? This is for Brazil.
I'll pass. No idea, sir.
Okay, we go to Russia.
No, I don't have that exact idea of that particular name, but it is within that algorithm where one solves.
No,
I don't
I
have that
am looking
exact
for
idea.
a keyword. Okay,
No.
now it goes to USA.
Previous block.
No. And now we go to Vinay, Klaus.
India.
India, yes. Genesis
Yeah, yes.
block.
Huh?
Genesis block.
No, that is the first question. You already answered it.
Yeah, but the public key can also be there, isn't it? Why not?
Okay, the wallet address is the public key.
Okay.
Okay, in a blockchain or the Bitcoin, whatever address, see the beauty of blockchain, whatever address is given for your wallet address, that address itself is the public key.
Correct.
Okay, very, very important. These are the foundation stones of blockchain. I think it's a tough round. Nobody has opened the score so far. Okay, no problem. So this is the last question of the blockchain round, which is addressed to Russia. Okay, so this is what I'm showing you is what is called as hash flare, which they charge $1.40, 1.40 for equihash algorithm miner. Algorithm miner, it is $3.20, etc. So what is this I am referring to? I am looking for some answer. What is hash flare? Shailesh, what is this hash flare I am talking about?
So it's the resources which is used to mine that particular thing.
Correct, but I am looking for a much better. I will not give you the points for that. I am looking for what it is right, but I'm looking for a specific word.
Yeah, of course.
If you can work out the answer, it is very easy. It is part of our overall ecosystem of today's quiz. If you can answer it and refine your answer, I'll give you a chance. You can refine your answer and answer it.
Is resource mining?
Nearby. Resources is okay, but I will
Resource
not give you
mining
points for that. Yes?
No, I pass.
Okay, we go to Vinay.
Crypto mining.
No, that's not the answer I'm looking at. Klaus.
Marketplace for crypto mining. You can.
Yes, but I am looking at what is that hash flare offering? What is the offering of hash flare? It is mining. I also know it is mining. It is already written there. It is mining. I am looking for one keyword.
Mining as a software.
Can you just refine it better? Then I can give you. You are somewhere nearby.
Yeah. Okay.
You're somewhere nearby. If you refine it, I can give you the marks.
Okay.
And we can open the account.
Mining as a software. Mining as a service.
Mining as a service.
Yeah.
Yes. So you start open the.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Very good. Okay. I was looking at cloud or mining as a service. Very good. So Klaus has opened this one. 5,000 points. So the first round, Klaus is the leading now. Now this is an audience question. This is an audience question. You have got 60 seconds to answer. This is none of the participants should answer it. This is for the audience only. This is not for the finalist. So the question is, what is the maximum count of Bitcoins that can be issued? That has to be given in the chat window, and we have got 60 seconds. So there is no, those are there will also get prizes. There are audience prizes to be won, Amazon gift vouchers to be won. So your time starts now. Whoever answers in the first 60 seconds, the first answer will get the prize. Others also can chat, put it in the chat window. This is not for the finalists. Please keep quiet. It is only for the audience. There will be 2 audience questions after each round. So what is the maximum count of Bitcoins that can be issued? It is only 60 seconds. So we have got a timer here. Sanil is the timekeeper as usual, whether it is virtual or physical. So whoever answers it first on the chat window will be eligible for the prize. Okay, so 60 seconds are over. So we go to the next question for the audience. So there is something called a 51% attack on a blockchain. So please tell us, again, it's not for the finalists, it is for the audience. We are getting it recorded for tomorrow. Okay, so what is a 51% attack on a blockchain? Is a question for the audience. It is again very elementary, my dear Watson, as per Sherlock Holmes. So you have to answer it, and whoever answer it first on the chat window, the correct answer will win some Amazon vouchers.
Oh.
Okay, the winners also will get Amazon vouchers. Don't worry about that. Okay, your time starts now. It's almost, you have still got around 30 seconds. Please go to your chat window and start answering what is a 51% attack on a blockchain. So please answer it. This is again very elementary. So time out. Those who have answered it will get the prize on the blockchain. Okay, now we go to the second round. This is again back to the finalist. Now we will be going in reverse order. Russia will be first, followed by Brazil, then India, and then USA. Till now, nobody has played the bonus. The same rules as round 1. So the first question is for Russia or Shailesh, and that is on the cloud. So here comes your question. Please do not answer. Please answer after the slide is down. Okay, please do not answer. Once you stop sharing the cloud, you can answer it. Identify the ISO standard for security techniques, code of practice for protection of personally identifiable information in public cloud acting as PII processors. I am looking for a specific number as per the ISO standard. I am looking for a specific number as per the ISO standard. This question is to Russia, which is Shailesh Kumar.
ISO 27032.
No, the question passes to Brazil, which is Suyash.
27701, ISO 27701.
No, the question passes to India.
27,018.
Brilliant, Klaus.
Oh.
Good. I think you are going to, India is leading the way today.
Yeah.
Excellent. It is 27018 is the answer which I am looking for. Good. So you get 5,000. Why did you not take the bonus, Klaus?
Oh, sorry. I never get bonus.
Okay. Tough times. Corona is
Yes,
tough
that's
times.
true. Yeah,
The
that's
bonus
true.
is not given.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we go to the second question. This is for Suyash, and this is on the cloud. So I am showing you 3 logos here. Connect the 3 logos and give me one specific jargon specific to cloud. I am looking for a very specific jargon related to the cloud. Please wait for the screen to disappear and then you can give the answer. This is for Suyash, Brazil. It's a direct for a 10,000. Suyash.
I'll pass that.
For a specific cloud related jargon.
I passed that.
Yes, Suyash. Can't hear you.
IAS.
No. So now it goes to India. Klaus.
Public cloud.
Which one?
Public cloud.
Public cloud. No.
No? Okay,
No.
sorry.
Now it goes to USA. Vinay Shah.
Hybrid cloud.
Hybrid cloud. No. It goes to Russia or Shailesh.
No idea, because those three are not getting connected.
You're not getting connected. Now, if I give you the answer, you will keep your hand on your head.
Oh,
What is called a serverless architecture.
okay.
So Lambda is by AWS, Function is by Microsoft Azure, and the third one is by Google. So the basic thing is what is called as cloud serverless architecture is the word I am looking for. So now we come to the third question. This is for India. Klaus, do you want to play the bonus?
Yes, let's play. Okay.
Okay. So you will have the winner position now. So let us see. Okay. So I'm sharing the next question. You have nothing to lose because there is no negative points.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Now the question is, Uptime Institute, what product or services do they offer? Uptime Institute offers what product or what services related to the cloud? The cloud.
That is cloud services.
No.
No, I have no idea. That,
What
sorry.
is Uptime Institute? What is the product or services offered by Uptime Institute? So the question passes to whom now?
Certification. Okay.
The question now goes to USA. Mr. Vinay Shah.
Sir, it provides data center certification.
Brilliant.
Rating of the certificate.
Yes, brilliant. Data center certification, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so Uptime Institute, there are 2 certifications as far as data center is concerned. One starts with 1, 2, 3, 4. One starts with Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a subtle difference. One is given by TIA. Roman 1, 2, 3, 4 is given by Uptime Institute. So any data center we talk about, you have to remember data center level 1, level 2, level 3 all refers to what is called as uptime. That's an intelligent answer. You could have worked out that answer based on uptime itself. Okay, good one. So Vinay is opened his score. How much? 5,000. Okay, good. Okay, now the next question is for Vinay. All the best. So now you are into the fray now. So hope you will answer this question and increase your tally. So I want you to connect the 3 pictures and give me one jargon related to, sorry, yes, it's question 4. So this is the question which is related to your something. Your
Bonus.
Docker, Kubernetes, and whatever picture you are seeing. I am looking for one jargon related to cloud. What is
Bonus.
the jargon? You have to tell after I stop share the screen.
Bonus.
Yes, Vinay.
Nanda. Bonus Nanda, sir.
1 minute. Who is it? Whose chance it is? US. Vinay has to answer, not Suyash and Shailesh. Vinay.
Sir, it is called.
It's a very simple absolute sitter. If you look at that figure, you can answer it. Wait, Suyash. Wait.
Container.
Suyash, wait.
Container.
That is. It is not your chance. He will get marks because he will get bonuses.
Container, sir.
Containerization. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Did you play the bonus, Vinay?
I didn't say bonus.
You did not say no, so you lost. You did not get the bonus. Suyash is getting heated up here to answer that
Yes.
question.
He is very active.
Very active. You should have used the bonus. Okay, good. It's a very simple question. Suyash, you knew the answer, right?
Yeah. That's why I said bonus immediately.
You said bonus, but you didn't. How will you get bonus? It is not your question. What about Shailesh? Did you know the answer?
No, exactly. I was not knowing the answer, but I could do something on that. Because I was going to that container part.
Yes. Containerization or container is the word I was looking for.
Yes.
Klaus, did you get that question?
What?
Did you get that question? Answer?
Yeah, this container. Yeah, I know. I have also would like bonus for this.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So good. So there's a tough battle now between this one, both of you. Now this is an audience question.
So there's a tough battle between US and India now.
Yes, sir, as usual. US and India, there is a tough battle now. Okay, good. So now the next two questions are for the audience. So the first question is a very simple question. This is a multi-cloud offering called Anthos by which company? Please, finalists, you cannot answer it. This is for this one, 60 seconds to answer. It is again a very simple question. If you people can know the color combination, you will be easily able to answer. Whoever answers it first will get it. This is a multi-cloud offering, Anthos by which company? Anthos is a product. It is offered by one company. I'm looking for the name of the organization or company. The answer of that company is hidden in that logo itself. Okay, 10 more seconds to go. So whoever answers it, they will get it. Okay. So the next question for the audience again. This is again a simple absolute sitter. It is like your fastest finger first. Which organization will be offering certificate of cloud auditing knowledge CCAK from year 2021? This is an absolute sitter. Anybody in this, if you do not know this answer, you better not participate in our conferences. Okay.
Sir, can we take this as a bonus question?
Talk. This is for the audience. Please don't talk. I will not listen. Please don't talk. Okay, I will mute all of you. This is for the audience. 60 seconds have already started. Whoever answers it first will get Amazon gift vouchers. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Okay. So let us look at the scorecard after the 2 rounds. So US is currently leading with 1,35,000 cases of corona, followed by India, which is 1,40,000. Both Brazil and Russia, there is absolutely no improvement on the position of corona. So US and India, there is a slight point of 5,000 cases only. Okay, now we come to the third round. So here in this third round is called the darknet round. We will be going the reverse order. So the first will be USA, which is Vinay. Second will be India. The third will be Brazil, and the fourth will be Russia. I'll be showing you 3 pictures. This round is called Connect the Dots. And the same number of points as we have seen in the earlier one. However, you have to connect the 3 images and give me a jargon which is related to the darknet. I will show you some 3 pictures. And from these 3 pictures, you have to give me a specific word which is used for darknet. So let us start with the first question, which is for USA, which is Vinay Shah. So you can see 3 images. Do not answer now. I will stop share, then only you answer it. You will see 3 images. Just have a look at these 3 images and then connect the dots. Give me a word or a phrase or 2 words or 3 words, something related to darknet.
Bonus, sir.
1 minute, please. It is for USA. This is Vinay Shah. Vinay.
Data breach.
No. So it passes on to Brazil. Suyash. Sorry, it goes to India now. India, Klaus.
Yeah. Proton Mail.
Brilliant.
Ah.
Huh? Okay, the answer is Proton Mail. Okay, can you connect the 3, Klaus?
Yeah. This is a Swiss product. It's a Swiss operator. then this this kind
So what
of
are the three figure pictures I showed you? What are the three pictures? How do you connect the dots?
yeah, this
Proton, male, and female.
Vinay, 1 minute. Klaus is speaking. Now
Yeah,
you
yeah.
cannot speak.
this atomic structure is the first picture. Then
Yes, what is that? That represents what?
The proton.
Proton. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
Then male is this email picture.
Hotmail. In that,
Hotmail,
from
yes.
that, you have to take the word mail.
Yeah, yes. And then also this, the company is in Switzerland.
Switzerland, Swatch. So it is Switzerland. Very good. So India is now, I think, overtaken USA or and tie now. Very good. Okay, now we go to the next question, which is for India. Okay, Klaus, this is a direct. So you
Okay.
can increase your scores now and
Yeah, let's
improve
see.
your scores. So this is a direct. You already played the bonus, so you cannot play the bonus now.
Mm.
Okay, fine. So this is the question for Klaus. You see 3 images.
Yes.
I will not talk anything. You have to connect the 3 images and give me a word or a jargon related to darknet.
It's,
This is for Klaus.
it's some kind of marketplace, but I have no idea which kind of marketplace.
I want the exact word,
Okay, sorry.
the phrase.
Bonus,
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Next, who is it?
Brazil.
Okay, next is for Brazil. Okay,
I'll
yes,
pl-
Brazil. 1 minute.
I'll-
Let me stop.
I'll-
1 minute. Wait. Brazil. Who is that? Suyash.
Yeah, I'll play the bonus,
Are
sir.
you taking bonus? 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute. Are you taking the bonus?
Yes, I'm taking the bonus.
Suyash is taking the bonus. Brazil is playing the bonus. It is a pass. Okay, so he'll get 10,000. Okay, yes, Suyash.
It's a marketplace called Silk Market, where most of the items are traded on the darknet.
It is not Silk Market. I cannot give you marks for that. Yes. Next is who? Russia. Yes.
It's called grey market.
No. You have to connect the 3. Next is USA, which is Vinay. Vinay, your chance to increase your score now. You got 15 seconds.
King Khan Market.
Khan Market, nahi sir. Khan Market, Delhi mein hai. Okay. Simple one. It is Empire Market.
Ah.
It is Empire State Building in US. Then I have showed you the new market or the hog market of Calcutta, which is the biggest market in Asia. And I have shown you the logo, which is showing Empire King. It's showing the logo of the king's crown. So it is your Empire State Building of US. You take the word empire. From new market, you take market. Add the 2, it should become Empire Market, which is the biggest marketplace in darknet as on date. I am also given to understand that it has been brought down last week. Okay, so Empire Market is also now out. So now, who is the next chance? Brazil. Suyash, this is for you. You already played the bonus. So bonus you cannot play. Klaus cannot play the bonus. Now only 2 people can play the bonus. Okay, so we go to the next one. Okay, this is for Brazil. So there is no bonus. This is a direct question for you. So yes, I am looking for a jargon connecting the 3 pictures. I'll stop share and then you can give the answer.
It's called Joker Stash, sir.
Very good. Joker's stash. Okay, so you have finally opened your score after a lot of effort. Okay, good. So I will share it. So this is Raj Kapoor, Mera Naam Joker. Okay, then stash. Why did I give that Visa or this card? Suyash?
Yeah, because I think it has a hash value, so stash maybe from that, but I'm not sure.
No. What is the connection between Visa and the Joker stash?
The cards were sold on this Joker Stash.
It is called a carding forum where people sell the card numbers. So Joker Stash is a place where the card numbers are sold. So now there is absolute pressure on Russia now. Russia is still to open the score. Okay, now this is a direct for Russia. Please open your score now. Now you have to connect the three images and then come out with a word which is related to darknet. So I'll keep that slide open for a few seconds and then I will stop. So I'm looking for a jargon related to darknet. What is the jargon I am talking about? Russia, Shailesh. Okay, you pass it on to USA. Yes, Vinay. Us. Then we go to India. Mr. Klaus.
No idea.
No idea. Then we go to Brazil. Suyash. Your voice is breaking, Suyash. Can you repeat?
Null market. Null market.
Null market. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want to refine the answer?
No.
I'll give 2,500 marks because it is nulled forum. Okay, it is not null market. Quora is a forum. Okay, so we'll give him because he has answered half. So it is a nulled forum. What you are looking at, so null, the logo of nulled forum, and Quora is a forum. Okay, so we are giving 2,500 points to you.
Thank you, sir.
We come to the round of the initial 3 rounds before we go to the buzzer round. Now we have got two more questions for the audience, which is again related to the darknet only. Okay, so this is for the audience. Again, the same logic, same thing. What is WhatsApp Gold? Long back before we had WhatsApp, you had what is called as WhatsApp Gold. WhatsApp Gold in the clear net has got its own equivalent in the dark net. That is given to you in these 2 pictures. You have to connect the 2 pictures and tell me the name of that equivalent of WhatsApp Gold in the dark net. The picture himself gives you the answer. The time is already started. Whoever answers it first will be given the Amazon gift vouchers. Okay, you have got 10 more seconds to answer this question. So now we go to the next question. Again, this is not for the finalist, this is for the audience. This is something to do with the dark net. This is something to do with the dark net. I am looking again for a phrase or a word connecting the 3 pictures. When you buy something for the marketplace, you use this. It has to be linked. You have to link all the 3. Your 60 seconds have already started. Okay. 30 seconds left. Okay, good. So, time out. So, let us look at the scores now. Very interesting tally of scores. The game is really hotting up. Both USA and India is 1,35,000 each, and Brazil is 1,37,500. So 2,500 is the gap. Unfortunately, Russia is very bad shape. Russia, things are not at all improving. Vaccine, still they are doing research. They're only doing research, no action at the end of the day. So now with this, now we go to the, now this is a make or break round.
Oh, no.
Okay, this is the buzzer round. Now because of tie, it is definitely a make or break. If it was not a tie, that's a different thing. Please do not answer before I will show the slide. Then I will stop the slide. Once the slide goes away, then only you have to press the buzzer. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, once the slide share comes down, then only you should press the buzzer. Otherwise, I will not be able to judge who is taking the buzzer. Okay, so all the best for the last and final round for the buzzer. So this is make and break for USA and India. On your toes, both of you. So these are the three companies which are featuring in the Magic Quadrant of Gartner. UiPath, Blue Prism, WorkFusion. What are they into? You can press the buzzer only after I stop sharing the screen. Yes, please press the buzzer. Yes, Vinay.
Artificial intelligence.
Sorry, I'm looking for a specific word. Anybody else? Anybody else? Still you can play. My negative. So Vinay, you are lost the 10,000 points now. Plus 10,000. Yes, Suyash is clapping. Yes, Suyash.
It's called robotic process automation, sir.
Brilliant.
Oh,
Yes, I'm looking for the word RPA, robotic process automation. So it is Suyash, which is Brazil. Okay.
guck's halt mal, ob du was
Yes,
rauskriegst.
10,000. Minus plus 10,000 for India.
Aber
Sorry, USA. Plus 10,000 for India and minus 10,000 for Brazil. Clear? So now Brazil has come to the second place. Okay, good. Brazil has gone to the second place. USA has gone to the what's the current status? Okay, Brazil is first. India is 2. US is 3. Okay, so still it is tough. Okay, now we go to the next question. We follow the same process. I will stop the slide, then only you press the buzzer. No more ransom. This is a PPP model with the goal to help victims of ransomware retrieve their encrypted data without having to pay for the criminals. This PPP model has got 3 to 4 stakeholders in this PPP model. I want at least one name of that entity which is part of this PPP model. Klaus.
Sorry.
Yes, Klaus.
I have no idea, sorry.
You are going to lose now, Max.
Yeah, I know, I cannot
You
change.
press the buzzer now. So you're going
Yeah,
to lose.
sorry.
Do you want to
Yeah,
try?
sorry.
No.
No,
Okay,
sorry.
next. Anybody wants to play the buzzer? Now Brazil is playing very safe. I think US has gone top above now. Yes, US has come to the top and India has gone to the next position. Yes, USA is number 2 now. Okay, the answer I was looking for was Kaspersky or McAfee or Netherlands Police or European Cybercrime Center. These are the 4 PPP joint venture. This is a consortium of these 4 organizations. Okay, now we come to the third and the penultimate question to decide the winners. So again, I will show it. Now, here is the question. This is current affairs between 20th of August and 27th of August. 22,73,152 accounts were banned. 14,24,854 devices were banned. Out of that, 32% for X-ray vision, 27 auto aim hacks, 4% modification, 3% modification, 12% speed hacks, and 22% others. This is something to do with cheating. What is the word I am looking for? What is this 22,73 which has been stopped or deactivated? I am looking for one keyword: current affairs, latest, hot news. 22 lakh accounts have been deactivated. What is it I am looking at? Everybody is silent.
I can take the risk.
Okay, so yes, Shailesh. So the buzzer, you are the person. Tell me, Shailesh.
Sir, these are Facebook accounts?
No, sir. So you lose. So Russia is lost. Okay, so Russia is still, nothing is happening in Russia. Anybody else? Any other country want to try it?
I'll try.
Okay, Suyash. Plus or minus? Yes, tell me, Suyash.
It's a website called Rummy Circle.
No. So you lose another 10,000. So now you are gone. Yes, anybody else? Only two teams left, India versus USA. Nobody. Go and ask your children. It is PUBG.
PUBG.
Oh.
No.
It is PUBG. You're not tracking current affairs. Okay, PUBG, 22 lakh accounts were banned. If my son told me a simple thing when I was preparing this question, anybody who can see the logo and the color will be able to know it is PUBG.
Oh God, yes.
Yes, sir.
Never seen, never
PUBG?
seen. No, never seen. Possibly my nephew in Navi Mumbai may know.
Okay, so it is called PUBG. Okay,
Yes.
so and Shakuni, I have shown it a Mahabharata character because cheating was started from the days of Mahabharata.
Okay.
And even in technology, there is cheating. So they use what is called as X-ray vision. It's very interesting. We think information security is only related to business. Even in gaming, you have got information technology and information security. So they used what is called 32% of this 22 lakh accounts use what is called as an X-ray vision. Okay, so are we on the first one? So one more question to go. So USA is on, India is tie. Okay, my God. There is a beautiful tie now between USA and India.
Okay.
Second is Brazil and third is Russia. So if there's a tie, we'll have to go to a tiebreaker. Okay, good. This is the second time in the 8 years or the third time in 8 years we are going to have a tie. Again, make or break. Okay, now. So this I am talking about OWASP top 10 security risks and vulnerabilities. So we know OWASP top 10 for web. We know OWASP top 10 for mobile. In June 2019, they brought in something as OWASP top 10 in June 2019. What am I referring to? Please clap or buzzer first before you talk, or clap. If you are not able to talk, don't talk first. Plus give you a clap or a buzzer. What is it that OWASP top 10 has introduced in June 2019? If nobody answers it, then this will be a tiebreaker for this one, or whoever answers it going to be, and who answers it right will be the winner. What is OWASP top 10, which has been introduced in June 2019? Yes, Vinay.
IoT.
IoT lost. Vinay is losing 10,000 marks.
I love.
Yes, anybody else?
Can I try?
Who is that? Suyash. Okay,
Yeah.
you can always try. No, there's no harm. US, make or
OWASP.
break.
It is
Sorry,
OWASP.
It is, which one? It's Brazil. Okay, this is
Yeah.
Brazil. Suyash. Yes.
It is
Suyash.
OWASP. It is OWASP for cloud computing.
No. Gone. Plus 10,000. Okay. Done? Is it a tie or it's done? Okay, fine. The answer which I was looking was OWASP top 10 for API. Okay, OWASP top 10 has released. I don't know how many of you are aware of APIs. They have given top 10 for API specifically in June 2019. The answer which I was looking was for API. Okay, good. So now before we give the final scores, let us go to the audience question and then we will declare the winners.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील सी नीली आंखें कोई राज है इनमें गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया
This is for the audience. This is not for you people. It is linking all the three. I am looking for a keyword. You have got 60 seconds. Okay. I am looking. There is each of these pictures you have to take. And then you have to connect the three and then come out with an answer. 60 seconds. Whoever does this will get the prize. Okay, so this is the last question. And with this, we come to the final staff score. What is the final score? Statistician? Okay. Okay, so we are waiting for our final scores. Do any guesses who is going to be the winner?
India.
India. So you all given up.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I lost
You
my
all given
10,000.
up.
Yeah.
Who is second? Who is second?
Brazil.
Okay. So the first position goes to India, 1,45,000. India is Klaus. Okay, Klaus.
Thank you very much.
Okay, give him a big hand, sir. He's from Germany, Shailesh. Okay, so India is the first winner. Second is Brazil.
Oh.
Brazil has come to number 2 position with 1,47,500 cases. And USA is 1,55,000. Okay, because of minus, it has gone up. It has become 1,55,000 cases. Okay, so finally, your Russia has gone into 1,60,000 cases. Okay, so Russia has been having a lot of problems. So thanks. The winners will get your vouchers, Amazon vouchers shortly. So see you all for the 9th edition. So special thanks to all of you for participating in this quiz. I hope all of you enjoyed. Any closing comments you would like to make? Each one of you, any closing comments? We'll start with the winner.
Good selection.
Take the winner. Yes.
Good quiz, good selection. And see, we are prepared by ISACA for going for objective type quizzes when we have idea and we just select answers from the given things. Now you are asking each and everything exactly word. So that's just gone.
Okay, good. Your voice is breaking. Okay, next, Suyash would like to say something.
Yeah, thank you for first letting me participate here, and it was a very informative and a great session. Really loved your quiz, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yes, Vinay.
It's always like tricky questions from your side we were expecting, even though we were reading all the things. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, Klaus.
Yes, thank you very much for this international competition here.
Okay.
And enjoyed it very much. But the easy questions are always the most difficult to answer sometimes.
Okay, good. So all of you enjoyed it. Enjoying is more important.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Thank you, being a wonderful audience. So now we come to the end of this ISACA quiz for this year. So if you feel like that you need the quiz next year also, you may go to the chat window and type in your comment stating that you want the quiz for next year as well, so that the managing committee can take the decision. I also would like to give my special thanks to Mr. Pranav Kini, who is a final year student for MCA, for the research on the darknet and Bitcoin questions. He is the person who did this deep research on the various aspects. He is very hands-on to the darknet. So it is because of him we got these quality questions. A special thanks to him. And also thanks to the entire ISACA team and Mr. Harish Shanai and others for stretching and burning the midnight lamp to make this virtual event a great, memorable event. Thank you all. This event will be available for 1 week on this platform, and after that you can watch it on my YouTube channel. I've got my own YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, you just type my name, Nandamohan Shanai. You'll be able to watch this as well as all the old episodes of quiz for the last 6 or 7 years. So all the best and take care.